In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save eBay pictures to your device. Whether you're looking to keep a record of your purchases or you simply want to have a copy of product images for future reference, I've got you covered. Let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, we need to access your eBay account. Head over to the eBay website and log in using your credentials. It's important to be logged in so that you have access to all the necessary features, and of course so you can easily navigate through your saved items and purchase history if needed. Next, find the eBay listing that contains the image you want to save. This could be an active auction, a completed listing, or even a page from your purchase history. Navigate through the listings using eBay's search features, and once you find the right product, click on it to open the detailed listing page. This is where you'll typically see all the images of the item, often presented in a gallery format. Once the listing page is open, look for the specific image you want to download. It's a good idea to scroll through the thumbnails if there are multiple images available, and click on the one you prefer to view it in full size. This makes it easier to save a high resolution version of the picture, ensuring you get the best quality available. Now that you have your image in view, here's the simple trick. Right click on the image. If you're on a desktop, this action will open a context menu with several options. If you're using a touch device, you might need to press and hold the image instead to see this menu. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Save Image As, or a similar variation depending on your browser. This choice allows you to download the image to your device, making it easily accessible and usable whenever you need it. A dialog box will then appear, prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the image. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and select the one that best suits your organizational needs. At this point, you can also choose to rename the file to something more descriptive or memorable. It's a small step, but renaming files can be particularly helpful if you plan to download multiple images or need to categorize them effectively. Finally, click the Save button and you've successfully downloaded the eBay picture to your device. Make sure to double check the saved image in your folder to ensure it has been downloaded correctly. And there you have it. Saving images from eBay is a simple process once you know how to do it. With just a few clicks, you can build your very own collection of high quality images directly from your favorite listings. I hope you found this guide useful, and happy browsing.